Hey, what's up guys? This is HP gaming headset H120. You're watching the Super Tech Show. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the HP H120 gaming headsets with a mic and some lighting over here. So yeah, let's get ahead and open this box up. Move this bubble wrap real quickly. There you go, bubble wrap is off. This box is huge. I did not expect a box to be that big, but whatever, let's open this up. Let's see, we have a tab right over here. It says HP, and I didn't bring a knife, so I'm just gonna pull it off. There you go. And there it is. These are big headphones. We got nothing else in the box. And so these headphones are huge actually. Did not expect them to be that big, but yeah. These are some good gaming headphones. That's the mic. And you get a freely movable mic arm. So you can adjust it wherever you want, according to your comfort. I'm gonna throw that off. So yeah, these are the headphones. They say HP on the sides. Pretty big. We've got some plastic wrap over here. I'm going to be removing that. This is metal. This is metal. This is soft padding and some elastic over here, and that's where the wire connects across the two ear pads. And so the wire comes out only from one side. That's a good. No one likes wires coming out from the both sides. The mic looks really good, to be honest. The HP logo glows, by the way. Let's see what else we get. We get some support stuff and probably a user guide, and that's it. So I'm going to be showing you some weird stuff. This thing has 3 ports. One is obviously for the mic, the other one is for the sound, the headset, and the third one is purely for this HP logo glow. Just for the glow, you got a USB right there. I wish they had integrated everything into the USB, but yeah. It's a great headphone. The wire is really long. It's a fat, long wire, made out of good quality. The junction looks nice and robotic, nice and futuristic. Looks great. These are the headphones. I'm going to be connecting these up, and I'm going to be showing you the glow of the HP logo coming up. Connected it up, and you can see the HP logo glows nicely. That's me high, and on the other side as well. You're going to be seeing it a lot better in the dark because the whole glass thing glows. So yeah, it looks really great, feels really great. Review coming up for the HP H120. You're watching the Super Tech Show. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. We are really near to 2,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.